If you're a homeowner getting ready to set up for a home project, it would be highly advised for you to look into setting up containment. And if you haven't already done so, please check out our team setting up containment for a client in one of our recent videos. Maybe you're trying to remodel by taking down a wall or dealing with an unexpected issue. Homeowners should set up containment during home projects for several reasons. Safety. Containment helps to keep hazardous materials, such as lead paint or asbestos, contained within the work area. This helps reduce the risk of exposure to these harmful substances for you and your fellow residents. Health. Dust, debris, and other contaminants generated during home projects can have negative impacts on your indoor air quality and aggravate allergies and respiratory conditions. Containment can help prevent these particles from spreading throughout the home, reducing the risk of health issues. Protection. Setting up containment can help protect the rest of the home from damage during your home project. For example, it can help prevent dust and debris from settling on your furniture or entering the HVAC system, which can cause damage and require a costly cleanup. And lastly, efficiency. Containment can also help the project be more efficient by reducing the need for cleanup. And it also allows you to focus on the task at hand. Overall, setting up containments during home projects is an important step to ensure the safety, health, protection, and efficiency of both you and your fellow residents. Now that you have this information, you're ready to get set up with your containment. If you feel like your home project is a lot on your plate, feel free to give us a call and we'll take care of it for you. If you have any other questions about this, feel free to give us a call at 951-303-1333.